Is this official?
I think it's official. We are in Côte d'Ivoire. We better pick up our French. It looks so different.
It
Look at
is.
the street.
Look at the lines on the road. Going to Man. I haven't showered for 4 days.
The city of Man will be our first stop in Côte d'Ivoire. From there, we will travel south to San Pedro and east towards Abidjan. On this trip, we will first stay at a community center, followed by a beach parking lot, then a cocoa farm, and lastly, an established campground near Abidjan. In 1893, France declared Côte d'Ivoire a colony. It was not until 1960 that the country achieved full independence from France. Amado and I are going to find some bread for our breakfast. The guys from here is showing us a shortcut out to the street. The city of Man sits in a basin surrounded by mountains. We successfully found a bread seller, but we might eat it all before we get back to Nulla.
What do you think about going to see the monkeys this morning?
I'm down with that.
The monkey sanctuary is not government run. It is operated by the community as a place of protection for the monkeys. The monkeys are believed to have played a special role in protecting the village historically. Because of these beliefs, the monkeys are protected. They live freely and interact with visitors who often feed them. There are 2,000 monkeys here. I think it's an old monkey. Okay, it's about 4 o'clock. We waited until now because it was just a little too hot and too humid. But we are on a trek to see the waterfalls of Man. We're here. The water flow is low because it's the end of the dry season.
So, you know, we've been going through some bad roads with the Nulla. And when I was checking the chassis, I discovered like a crack as a result of a lot of the flexing. So we're gonna get it fixed. They're gonna weld it and fabricate something to replace a part. You know, we're in Côte d'Ivoire, and these are people who does the things because trucks goes through the same thing.
C'est la Côte d'Ivoire.
Côte d'Ivoire.
San Pedro. All right, let's pull out. Okay, we're leaving Man. Wow, what a nice place is this? Surrounded by mountains.
400 feet, turn left on day 7.
People are very nice, very relaxed.
Well, we came here to relax. Yeah, that's what we came here for, and I think we did that.
I think so.
And now where are we going, Jackie?
We're headed south towards San Pedro Beach on the Atlantic. Okay, we stopped on the side of the road, peeled this yummy mango. It is so sweet. It is so sweet. We are on A5 heading south from Isaias to San Pedro. Look how green it is. Very green. Here we are. 11 hours later, we have arrived. This beautiful place. It was worth it.
Almost 3 months. We've been inland. Finally, we're in the ocean.
This is our home for the night. A few feet from the white sand and directly in front of the water of the Gulf of Guinea. Nulla is fully self-contained, so we can park anywhere. Along the beachfront, a number of the hotels and restaurants allow campers to park. Before San Pedro became a major port in 1970, it was a small fishing village. It still has that same vibe down here on the beach.
Great night. Good to be back in the beach.
a beautiful beach at San Pedro to explore the camps along the ocean heading to Abidjan. So we've been on the back roads asking local people where Plage Latico is, and finally this very, very nice man is taking us. Wow, there's the
Look
water.
at the price.
Wow, here's the prize. As you come down the hill, the first place on the beach is Ches Pericos Camp. One side is huts and camps and the toilets, and the other side is a long beach where most of the overlanders, I think, park their rigs.
Hey, there's a lady out there. Who's that? Who's that? Oh, it's so beautiful. Côte d'Ivoire.
It's beautiful. Pristine. There's no garbage, no trash, no footprints, except for that of a little dog. Panamato and I.
Look at there. Actually cassava. It looks like rice, but it's not rice. It's mackerel. 3 mackerel grilled. Wow. This is beyond what I dreamed.
Camp dog. Okay, here we go. We are leaving Ches Perico. We're going from the beach into the foliage. We're in first. We put on our 4-wheel drive. Good. Go Nulla, you are doing good. Just have to go up this one hump and you're in good shape. School children like school children anywhere. This is cassava along the road. Nice slow road, not a lot of traffic. It's dirt, but it's not washboard. To go into Ches Perico, what do you think? Takes an hour?
Depends. Like half an hour.
No, not half hour to come up the hill.
Well, for us, but other people go faster.
All you have to do is stop and ask people where is Latico, and then they'll point you in the direction of the village.
Cassandra, this side? Oh, merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup.
Is the turnoff for Terrain des Alpha, a cacao farm. The main reason we're going is there's supposed to be manatees in the river.
Are you ready for this?
It says you take the track through a small village and into the farm. Ask him. Camping Salfa. Salfa. Our 4-wheel drive on, and
We are just gonna walk there.
we are going to go slow. Are we okay with the bushes? Oh, bushes. Hello. No wires, just palm tree. And there's a rut in the road right here. Rut in the road.
We're just used to Nulla getting scratched up. Can't avoid it.
Okay, palm tree and ruts. What do you think? Which side? Hey, Amado. Amado.
This is
Cacao. This is the cocoa farm. Oh my God. See the cocoa
One of
parts?
the main export of Côte d'Ivoire.
Côte d'Ivoire is also the largest producer of cocoa beans in the world. That's the sign. Zalfa. Oh. Climb the hill, little girl. Climb the hill. Climb the hill. Wow. Oh. Yeah, rainy would be bad. I think this is the camp. See what it's gonna be. We're definitely in the boonies, as the boonies go. Wow, look at, oh my gosh, there's the river. We have parked Nulla, turned off the engine.
She is resting now. And here is where we sit. Wow. He's in great shape.
Oh my God. Raining coconuts. That's what I call in good physical health.
This is a beautiful place. It is so calm. We're at the edge of a cocoa farm.
C'est bon.
Thank you.
Merci, merci beaucoup. Look at, you got mango.
There's
Merci
something
beaucoup.
right there. I don't know.
Huh?
I think it's a fish jumping.
Wow. Can't be more fresh than that. The only way you could make this mango or the coconut more fresh is to climb the tree
Eat it in
and
the tree.
eat it in the tree. That's the only way. Like, look at this. Wow. Come on now.
Wow.
I love eating the seeds of the mango.
Oh, there's another bird. That means there's fish.
Oh no, there's fish there. Take some papaya.
That was really nice.
Yeah, it was great.
We have one night in Jacquesville on the ocean.
Maybe 2 nights. No.
Maybe 2 nights.
Maybe
Really
3
nice
nights.
nights.
But the roads are nice.
Those are beautiful. They have cassava along the road.
Casabas. This is all cassava.
It's just miles and miles of palm and cassava. Palm and cassava. Jacquesville!
So we're staying here tonight.
Jacquesville! Named after me, of course.
All right.
On the ocean and the lagoon. This is the lagoon.
That's a pretty cool town they name after you. Look at this.
Wow. Coming into Jacquesville off of the bridge, we're going to Chez Laura. We have 29 minutes, 25 kilometers more. Wow. We have arrived. Chez Laura, Hotel Kepman, restaurant and a bar on the beach. Oh, look, there's the water. First rainstorm of the season is rolling in. It's really kicking up. Whoa! Whoa, what was that?
Telephone pole just fell.
Okay, family and friends, we got the awning up.
We all,
Dodged the coconut palms that were flying. Mato's blood pressure didn't move at all. And the phone poles fell.
telephone pole fell right next to us.
And the awning almost flew away. We had to get the 90-year-old man to help us hold it down while we put it away as far as we could. It's not totally stowed, but it's all we could do in the wind.
And we're hunkered down inside the Nulla.
This is the arrival of rainy season in Côte Jacquesville. Oh my God.
That would have been a disaster
We would have done the solar, the window probably.
for the whole cab. The whole cab.
The cab would have had a big dent in the top of it. That would have been a big disaster. Oh well, we survived. Another day. we are leaving this beautiful beach, Ches Laura in Jacqueville.
Okay, let's go to Abidjan.
Let's go to Abidjan.
Yep, let's do it.